What happens when you take the best features from the DJM 900 Nexus 2 and strip it down to a less expensive 2-channel mixer? You give birth to something like this. This is the DJM 450 and here is my review after a year of usage. So let's jump right into it. What is good, you guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here and if you want to join the DB crew, please consider subscribing. This mixer is a complete stripped down version of the 4-channel industry standard mixer from Pioneer DJ, the DJM 900 Nexus 2, and that makes this mixer the best feature-packed 2-channel offering from Pioneer DJ. This mixer has a solid metal build quality with excellent 24-bit sound quality. The faders are absolutely amazing, and the best part, it has an inbuilt record box compatible sound card. With features like the Magwell faders, 4 sound color effects, an EQ isolator and an effects rack inherited from the DJM 900 Nexus 2, the DJM 450 feels just like the one you are used to in the club. This mixer came with a free Rekordbox DJ license key when I first purchased it, but after Rekordbox 6 coming out, this mixer is no longer a free unlock for the Rekordbox performance software. However, this mixer still supports Rekordbox in DVS mode for free. But if you still have Rekordbox 5 installed, you can still use that license key to connect this mixer and use it in HID mode. The mixer also has a USB send and return port right up top to connect an external effects rack or use it with the Pioneer DJ RMX 1000 iOS app. This mixer is also compatible with the Pioneer DJ's DJM Rec app, with which you can record your DJ sets and also go live onto different social media platforms with great sounding audio quality straight out of your mixer. At the back, the mixer has 2 master outs, 1 RCA and 1 XLR, line and phono outs on both channel 1 and channel 2. It also has a dedicated aux out that can also be used to send audio from deck 3 inside of Rekordbox, and it has a dedicated volume control knob on the top for that. The mixer also has a balanced mic input jack that takes in a standard 1/4-inch jack. And lastly, it has a USB Type B input sound card socket. But if you know the mixers well, you will know that there is no booth out option on this mixer, and that is because it's a bedroom mixer and the master out will be your monitor. From the top, the mixer looks busy with a lot of knobs. The EQ has 2 modes. Choose your preferred EQ level in EQ mode or use the isolator to totally eliminate each IQ band for that perfect mix. The crossfader comes with 3 crossfader curve adjustments. Through disables the crossfader and smooth delivers a good smooth transition, and the cut curve is perfect for the scratch DJs out there. It also has a very unique crossfader reverse switch which reverses the scratch fader, helping the scratch DJs use their dominant hand to deliver perfect cuts every time. All the knobs here and faders are extremely good quality and they all still work just like new even after a year of normal use. The onboard effects is one of the main features on the DJM 450. First, there are 4 sound color effects: dub echo, sweep, noise and filter, which are inherited from the DJM 900 Nexus 2 and they all sound amazing. Next are the 8 tempo beat effects, again inherited from the DJM 900 Nexus 2. It has an OLED display that shows you the tempo of your effects, and you can use the beat buttons to jump between the different note values as per the effect selected. Also, the headphone jack is not on the top, but it's in the front of the mixer and it has both a 1/4-inch input jack and a regular 3.5mm input jack for DJs who often lose this. The MRP on this mixer is about 61,000 rupees here in India, and when we purchased it a year ago, I think we got it for about 55,000 rupees. And I think in that price point, this mixer is a bit expensive if you look at it like a 2-channel mixer, because you can actually get the DJM 250 Mark II, which I reviewed earlier, for about 28,000 rupees, which is almost half of the price of this mixer, and the only major difference between this and that is the effects section. But if you want a bedroom mixer with all of the best features from the DJM 900 Nexus 2, this mixer is the one. And when I first purchased this mixer, I thought that the send and return port is going to be the most useless thing on this mixer and I'm going to only use it for charging my iPhone. But then guess what? This mixer turned out to be the most important gear that I have in the studio during the lockdown, because I could connect the iPhone through the DJM Rec app and go live onto different social media platforms and perform live with great sounding quality without having to do anything extra. Just connect my iPhone, connect it to the send and return port, it charges the phone, and the sound quality is amazing. And I never thought that that feature would be so helpful to me during this time that we are in right now. I paired this mixer with the XDJ 1000 series, and that makes it the perfect setup for pro DJs who want a little something like the club experience in their home studio. The best part is the build quality. This mixer is 1 year old, and even after 1 year of regular use, this mixer still functions like brand new. We at the studio have no complaints with it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Please comment in the comment section below and let me know if you liked this review video that I did today, and if you would like me to do more reviews of different DJ related products in my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the DB crew. Also, hit on that bell icon for notification. That really supports this channel and it helps me and motivates me to create more content just like this. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.